Okay, guys, let's have a look at inductive reasoning and what that is. So with inductive reasoning, as opposed to deductive reasoning, we are looking for a pattern of some kind and using that pattern to see what the next step might be, or the next piece of the pattern, and using that to come to conclusions. So in this case, we have these four images, and if I wanted to know what the next picture would be, then I need to find out what the pattern is. Sometimes it's helpful to draw a table. So for instance, I know the first figure only has one block. The second figure has 5. The next figure, if I count, has 9. And the last figure has 13. So looking at that, we can see that there's a pattern from 1 to 5, 5 to 9. It's increasing by 4 blocks each time. Another way you could look at it is that you're taking the previous picture and adding blocks onto it. So you can see that these blocks right here are blocks that were part of the previous picture, but there were ones that were added on, one on each spoke. So there are 4 extra blocks each time being added on to each of those spokes on each side. So if I wanted the next picture in the pattern, what I would do is I would take the previous one, okay, the one that came before it, and I'm just going to add a block on, okay? I'm going to add 4 blocks because we add 4 every time, right? We saw that with our pattern. So I'm going to add one up here, one here, one here, and one here. I've added 4 blocks to that picture. So now it is the next step. And if I wanted the next picture in this pattern, I would add another 4, one on each spoke. Okay, so the key is to find the pattern and then you can replicate it.